So if you're coming to South Africa and looking to go on a safari and want to do it with some style, or if you just like seeing amazing places to stay around the world, then this video is for you. Dang. What do you see, Kelly? What's up, guys? Welcome to Kruger National Park here in South Africa, where we are staying at one of the nicest lodges that I've ever stayed at while on safari. Today, I'm gonna kind of peel back the curtain and show you where we're staying, how much it cost, and some more of those details. Without further ado, let's check this place out.
Welcome to Camp Amani, located inside Kruger National Park. This charming safari villa sits in the heart of a private nature reserve and houses 4 luxury suites that are great for couples or a group of friends like us. It features a magnificent open-concept living room, mezzanine library, full-service kitchen, and an amazing outdoor space with, trust me, plenty of cozy areas to relax. We loved the outdoor infinity pool and spent most of our days out there chatting, reading, and watching the animals that would come by the watering hole. And when we weren't relaxing, we were out on our game drives. Every day came with 2 drives led by our trusted guide, William, who was awesome. One drive was done in the evening around sunsets, and the other at sunrise.
Good morning, guys. It is 5:30 in the morning. That is when Willem wakes us all up to go on our morning game drive, and it's quite chilly here in the mornings, and so I got my tracksuit on. Just bought this thing before we got here, so if there is an award for best dressed on safari, you're looking at it. Yeah, 5:30. Yo, that is early. Good morning, Kelly.
Good morning, Africa.
Raise your hand if you want to see some animals this morning. Yes. Woo!
Kruger National Park is one of the premier safari parks in all of Africa, and all the animals are completely wild. So you never know what you're gonna see. Lions, elephants, buffalo, giraffe, they're all out there, and it's always exhilarating. Now, while every game drive is different, we got particularly lucky on our second day, and I had my first ever leopard sighting, which was really special. Followed by an encounter with a family of lions who walked right up next to the car. It's moments like these that I will never forget.
We could literally, like we're not meant to be. The lion breathing on us.
That was freaking insane. The line was so close to the car. That was amazing. So we're stopping for a little mid-morning coffee and tea. And Willem, our guide, has found us this amazing little spot overlooking this entire valley. And that's kind of the most fun part about being on safari. You get to fully immerse yourself in nature, and there's no cell phone service, there's no computers, there's no work, emails, all that stuff. You just 100% focused on being out here.
We loved our stay at Camp Amani. The rooms were super comfy, the staff was unbelievably welcoming and accommodating, and the food was incredible.
I know I just said the food was good, but I mean, saying the food is good is underselling it. I mean, they have borderline overfed us since we've been here. I mean, we're about to go on our evening game drive, and they just gave us lemon tart cake and fruit. Holy crap. Daisy, you gotta try this lemon tart cake.
Whoa.
Right?
Oh my gosh.
Now, I could go on about how amazing the sunsets were, the evening bonfires, and all the other animals we saw, but the point is, if you're coming to South Africa, you have to go on a safari.
And that is where I think I'm going to end the lodge tour portion of this video. The second half of this video is going to be more a collection of fun shots from safari with me and my friends, having some laughs, having some good times. Basically just a bunch of good memories that I want to look back on fondly. So if you want to see any of that, continue to stick around. And if you don't, and you just wanted to see kind of the cool lodge we're staying at, no hard feelings either. Like the video maybe before you leave. But until we go out on safari, I'm going to sit here and relax and do some lounging. So, see you in a sec.
My safari down.
Yeah, do your safari dance.
Not wearing my leopard shoes.
Okay, Willem, do your safari dance.
My safari? I don't have a safari dance. No, you can't put me on the spot like that.
Who's ready? Camille's ready.
I'm ready.
Ready?
Freaking ready.
She's ready. Stage, are you ready?
I'm the most ready. Ready. Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome to the safari round 2. What will we see? Stay tuned.
Camille, what would you rate this bird out of 10?
This is an 1,000,000 bird.
And 1,000,000 bird, wow.
There's only a few birds that I think are absolutely stunning, and this is one of them. Wow. Hey Brenda, this vlog is for you, girl.
For context, Brenda is
What's up?
Jeanette's
What's
mom.
up? Hey mom.
How's it going? This is
Hey
Sunset.
fans, aka mom.
Alright, yeah, you're nailing it. No, come on, put the hand back up. You're gonna...
Okay, what about like
There you go, yeah. Yeah, you nailed that.
Justin, I'd like to note that we get these warm water bottles to sit on. I'm sticking it up my shirt. More people need to know about this. Picture a warthog being tickled by tall savanna grass.
That holds your weapon.
How's your safari going today?
slow start turned into almost died by a lion, so pretty good.
Almost died by a lion. That sounds dramatic, but it was very
it was
close.
like the shark moment. No, you weren't back there. You were up here in your safety spot. It was scary back there.
Feeling very poncho chic. Fashion. Yeah, you guys look great.
I'm dizzy. Grow up. Yeah, that made me want to.
All right, everyone ready to go? Thank you guys.